Welcome to the professional path game development. Today, we turn players into creators. Game development is the systematic process of taking a concept from design to a fully functional interactive experience. It began decades ago with simple pixels and limited logic, where every byte of memory was precious. Modern development is a fusion of disciplines: programming, art, sound design, and strategic project management. Today, we stand on the shoulders of giants, using powerful engines allow anyone the dedication to build. The journey starts with the design document, the blueprint telling your mechanics, levels, and story. Programming is the engine's heart, writing the code for player movement, physics, and essential AI. Art and animation bring the visual soul, from character models to the very UI the player touches. Sound design layers in the atmosphere, using effects and music to drive the player's emotions. Project management ensures quality through rigorous testing and deployment to your target audience. We begin with the basics, learning game engines, layout design, and core mechanics at SIIT. Discover how HTML5 and JavaScript extend the power of the web into the world of gaming. Master Python and the PyCang library to build foundational ND logic and rapid prototypes. Master Unity, the industry leader for creating both versatile 2D and high-performance 3D games. Build professional-grade levels and program logic using the powerhouse Unreal Engine 4. Step into the future with a Unreal Engine 5, mastering advanced lighting and next-gen programming. For the serious developer, we offer deep dives into C++ for maximum game optimization. Our curriculum includes the Michigan State University specialization, covering every aspect of the industry. Gain practical skills from experts with real-world experience and prepare for the global workforce. All you need is a computer and an internet connection to access our videos and booklets.
Upon completion, earn your professional certification to validate your skills to employers.
Your creative ideas are ready to come with. Enroll today and start building.